Hello YouTube friends, where are you? How are you? See you again, Mr. Barry Man Khan, from Eastern Indonesia. In this video, I will provide information regarding the identification of one of the plants, which is around us, a unique and fascinating wild plant. Her name, Alocasia Mortfontanensis. However, before I continue, for YouTube friends who have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel first, so that my channel can develop and be useful. Go ahead, watch the video. The plant name is Alocasia Mortfontanensis. The botanical name is Alocasia Mortfontanensis. The genus is elephant's ear. Alocasia. Description: Alocasia mortfontanensis. Alocasia mortfontanensis is a hybrid species between Alocasia longiloba and Alocasia sanderiana. The Alocasia is known for its large leaves and wide variety of cultivars within the species. Alocasia mortfontanensis is native to tropical Asia and Australia. Interesting facts. Alocasia mortfontanensis has a compact plant shape and a beautiful leaf shape. The leaves are full of unique metallic tubes, and the veins are clear and very poetic. The Israeli Carmel Company is famous around the world for its production of Alocasia mortfontanensis. Characteristics: plant type, herb, lifespan, perennial, bloom time, spring, summer, plant height, 30 to 61 centimeters, spread, 2 meters, habitat, forest understory. Scientific classification: genus, Alocasia, elephant's ears, taro, Chris plant. Family, Araceae, arum, aroids. Order, Elismatales, water plantains and allies. Class, Liliopsida, monocotyledons, monocots. Phylum, Tracheophyta, vascular plants, seed plants, ferns, tracheophytes. Conditions requirement. Difficulty rating. Alocasia mortfontanensis is super easy to take care of, with resistance to almost all pests and diseases. It is a perfect option for gardeners with brown thumbs. Sunlight. Full shade to partial sun. Hardiness. 7 to 10. Hardiness zones, 9-11. Soil. Loose, fertile and well-drained humus soil. Care guide. Water. Moisture loving, keep the soil moist but do not let water accumulate. Fertilization. Fertilization once in spring. Pruning. Trim the diseased, withered leaves once a month. Planting time: spring, summer, autumn. Propagation, division. Potting suggestions: needs excellent drainage in pots. Garden use. Alocasia mortfontanensis is most often used as a houseplant in non-tropical climates, as it requires heat and humidity to thrive. Its striking, variegated leaves are a key decorative feature. Philodendron, calathea, and monstera are good companion plants. Its striking, variegated leaves are a key decorative feature. Philodendron, calathea, and monstera are good companion plants. Tips from garden coaches. Plants of genus Alocasia, with green or peculiarly mottled leaves, are usually grown in green spaces, wall corners, or gardens for interior and exterior decoration.
Why is my Alocasia mortfontanensis leaves are yellow?
It is because they are too wet or too dry.
Do Alocasia mortfontanensis like to be root-bound?
Alocasia mortfontanensis roots like to be confined to the little pot.
How big is Alocasia mortfontanensis?
Alocasia mortfontanensis can grow up to 1.2 meters tall.
Is Alocasia an indoor plant?
Tropical plants in the Alocasia genus feature stunning foliage that can become the centerpiece of a garden or room.
Should I mist my Alocasia mortfontanensis?
No, misting encourages plant diseases.
Why is my Alocasia mortfontanensis dying?
Root or stem rot can occur sometimes. Thus the information about the identification of one of the plants, which are around us, a plant that is unique and fascinating. Her name, Alocasia mortfontanensis.
If it's still not clear, please leave a message in the comments column. Like and share if you like this video. Thank you for faithfully watching my video. Hopefully it's useful. And see you again in the next video. Greetings from East Indonesia.